Today we're going to print a photo onto some colorful background like I did here. For this process, I'm going to use my favorite gel plate, gelpress printing plate. This one measures 8 by 10 inches. So today I'm going to print directly into my sketchbook. It's a great way to display and store my prints. This is the image I'm going to print. It's part of an original photo which I printed with my laser printer. I'm also going to layer in some text which I printed on the other side in order to save some paper. Something else I'm going to include is a page from this book, which I really like the look of the text and images. I try to select a page that won't clash with my image. Okay, so first I'm going to print a page and I'm going to use Amsterdam acrylic paint. And I'm going to use a brayer to spread the paint on the gel plate. It's really important to spread it evenly. I place the page face down and I press it lightly. Now I wait a little for the paint to dry. I have my sketchbook ready. And I'm going to lift the text off the plate with this yellow paint. It's a good idea to press the page down with a clean brayer. Okay, so now we have the very first layer, and now I'm gonna layer a few other colors on top of it, and I'm going to use some inexpensive craft paints to do that. I make impressions in the paint with a stencil, but you can use any object you have at home. I randomly lift the pink onto the paper. I think I need some more pink. If you have too much paint left on the plate like I do, you can lift it onto another page and use it later. You can use baby wipes to wipe your plate clean. Okay, now it's time for our third layer, the image. And I'm going to use Van Dyke brown. I'm going to lift it off the plate and onto the background I made before. Nice. So now the final layer, which will be some text. And I think I'll place the image description here at the top. Some more text, and I'm gonna place it here. A little messy, but that's okay. And now for the final text, I'm gonna use burnt sienna. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in my books and online classes, check out the links below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.